Why hello humans! So there is a problem with the if expression, and that's that it can only encode two branches, right? The true branch and the false branch. Sometimes that isn't enough, and that's what cond will help us with. So to form a cond, let me just type this out. It's open parenthesis, the keyword cond, space, a square brace, and then some question expression, and then an answer expression if that question evaluates the true, followed by a square brace, a closing square brace, right? So this is like the if branch, but there's no false here. What you do is that you just add another branch. So if you hit enter, you can open another branch for Q2, and this could be the false branch, but it can also be something else, right? So this is E2. All right, and you can have as many of these as you want, but there's one important last case, and that is the false branch. It's the else branch. All right, a special keyword called else, and an expression right afterwards. So if all else fails, right? So if this question fails, then it'll go to the next branch. If this fails again, it'll keep going to the next branch until we hit the else case. And this will finally be the resulting value of this cond, all right? Don't forget to close this parenthesis, because we need to close this opening one, all right? It's kind of hard to talk through this example. It's better if I write and demonstrate what it does. So let's say there are three people in your life. They're named James, Alice, and then Mom, all right? So let's define a person variable. Then we'll hold the name. Let's start with James, all right? The cond expression. And we're going to say if her name is equal to James, we're going to say, hey, handsome. All right. Second branch, we're going to say Alice. So if your name is equal to Alice, we're going to say, hey, girl. And last branch is your mom. So you're going to be more formal and go, hello, mother. All right. So when I hit Control Run, we should get, hey, handsome. No surprises there. Ignore this black highlighting for now. It's going to be explained way down the line, all right? So let's go over the precise evaluation rules. So it's getting hey handsome because this person is going to be substituted for what it is. So it's James right here. So let me just copy and paste that. Paste it here. And this is going to be equal to true. And then it's going to take this expression. So the result of this entire cond is just going to be a handsome, right? And that's why we get it right here. All right, let's do one for Alice. So let me just erase this. Whoops. Let's say the name is Alice. Well, the evaluation rules are, and copy and paste below. So Alice over here. All right, copy, paste. So a person will get substituted for the string Alice. All right, and we're going to evaluate from starting from the first branch. Does Alice equal James? No, that's going to be false. So we're going to skip this branch and go down and check this one. So let's do the second branch. Copy and paste to show the steps of evaluation. So this is going to be true. True. And then we're going to get hey girl. All right, no surprises there because then we hit run and get hey girl. All right, let's do one last one for mother. So mom, I think you get the general idea. So it's going to keep evaluating all the branches until it finds a true. And then there's an else one, which I'll quickly go over. So this is going to be false because mom does not equal James. So we go down to the next branch. Mom does not equal Alice either, so this is going to be false. So onto the third branch, mom does equal mom. This becomes true. And we do get the string hello mother. So I'm going to hit Control R and we should see two hello mothers. This is the first one and this is the second one, right? No surprises there, hopefully. All right. So lastly, I mentioned the else case. So if all else fails, I'm going to say, who the heck are you? So if the name is, say, something like Bob, hit Control Run, well, we're going to get who the heck are you? Because it's not matching any of these branches. Right? This is going to be false, 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 and then the else, the special else keyword, and then the expression afterwards will be evaluated, which is who the heck are you? All right? And that's conned in a nutshell. Thank you for watching, human. If you wish to interact with more of your kind, join our Discord linked in the description or on screen. If you want to aid in my quest for world domination, consider hitting the sub button. Thumbs up if you enjoyed it, thumbs down if you didn't. Any questions, comments, or suggestions, fire away below. Also, check out the annotations on screen for the next relevant video.